good fun, that's for sure. What made him great. Griffin the third back, and he gets taken down. The fumble ball is out, and it's a touchdown. Anthony Spencer finds himself in the end zone. It was Terrell McClain who delivered the hit.
Jay Gruden irritated because, as I mentioned earlier, you have to know when to say when as a quarterback. And sometimes you're going to get sacked, but you better protect that football. 2 cardinal sins at the quarterback position by Robert Griffin III right there, and it results in a touchdown for the Cowboys. Right here you pump. If you don't, you better get rid of it. McClain hits him, ball out. Here's what Robert Griffin III seeing. Sometimes everyone's covered. Get rid of it. Move in the pocket. If all else fails, secure that football. That football is precious. He doesn't. Anthony Spencer is dancing as a result.